Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Gmail. Let's get started. Open your Gmail application and here tap on your account icon at the top right corner. After that, select Manage your Google account. Now we are in Google settings and here swipe right to enter the security tab. Open the security settings. After that, swipe down and choose Recovery Phone. Then we need to enter our Google password. If you forgot password, then click on Forgot Password to restore it. Tap Next. Here you can also change the phone number if you have previously set it. First I'll show you how to set a phone number and then how to change it. Tap on Add Recovery Phone, add your phone number here, and then tap Next. To make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a verification code. Get code, tap on it, and we need to confirm our phone number. We have received a message with a verification code. Remember it and add it here. Verify. Tap on Verify. It's our recovery phone. And when we change our recovery phone, we may be able to choose to get sign-in codes sent to our previous recovery phone. If you haven't access to your old phone number, then you have two ways. You can contact your mobile operator with an ID card or a passport to recover your old phone number. Or you need to contact Google support. They need to make sure that you are not a hacker and then they can remove the old phone number from the account. I have an access to my old phone number and I can change it. To do this, tap on Recovery Phone in Security Settings and then tap on pencil icon to edit it. Then edit your phone number and tap Next. Google sent us an SMS code and add the code. Tap on Verify, phone number updated. Now we have changed the phone number without SMS code to the old phone. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you next time.